Hi, my name is Mitch Pate Jr. I'm here to show you how I use the game handler. Game handler is a set of straps that will assist you when you don't have a buddy or a person, somebody else to help you out. It comes in this neat little bag. And all you got to do is hook it up to your four-wheeler. Add this part in. Alright, now once we got it hooked to our four-wheeler, put our animal in it. The strap's going to give us some handles to hold on to. All we got to do is pull this ring around, clip into the D-ring around the body of the deer, and we're good to go. We'll make sure we put the legs out, because if you have the legs in, obviously they're going to be underneath the four-wheeler. It's going to impair you lifting the animal. If you've got a real skinny animal right here, you can actually take that strap and wrap it twice. I'm going to line this D-ring up with the backbone. That's going to come into play later on when we're lifting. It'll naturally kind of go there anyway. Now, once we got him in this position, we're going to use these handles. These handles are going to give us a point to lift the animal. I'm actually going to lift the animal up and then just pull the slack out of my strap. I cannot lift this animal just using this strap. So, lift, pull your slack. Same, just go back and forth, keep doing this all the way until you get him up as high as you can. Kind of a general practice is when these D-rings are in line with your tailgate or your back rack or whatever device you're using. Alright, once he's up in this position, this is where these handles come in. Those handles I showed you a while ago. Located close to this animal. All you gotta do is lift, flip. Looking right there on your four-wheeler. He's on there. You can also, at this point, use the game handle to actually strap your animal down. That way it doesn't actually fall off while you're traveling back to camp. How you do that is bring these straps that you originally used, bring them through your rack, back around, tie it down. Ready to go. We're going to head back to camp and get this sucker ordered out.